Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Robux to another account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you got to log into the account where you wanted to transfer the Robux, okay? For example, this one. And once logged in, go ahead and open up a new tab. Go to create.roblox.com. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead over to your creations right here at the left panel. Click on it. Now click on any creations or places. Now in here, go to the left panel and find passes. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on create a pass. In here, you go ahead and change the picture. If not, just leave it as is. Add a name, transfer, description, maybe transfer Robux. Okay, create the pass. Once that's done, go ahead and click on it. Now go to sales. Enable item for sale and type down a valid price. Okay, for example, 140. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and click on save changes. Okay, once that's done, go back to passes right here or passes section. Instead of copying the page URL right here, let's just go ahead and copy the link on our profile, because when we copy our URL right here, sometimes it will give an issue. Okay, so just go ahead over to roblox.com. Right here, go to your profile. Now go to creations, click on your creation, go to store. We have the transfer pass right here. Click on it. Now click on the address bar, right click and copy. Now go ahead and log into the account that's going to buy this pass or transfer to the Robux. Okay. Click on the gear icon and switch accounts. Add an account if it's not logged in yet. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and select this account right here. Now, what we got to do next is just close this one, open up a new tab, paste the copied pass link. All right, hit on enter. Now, all you need to do is just hit on buy right here. Okay, click on buy, and then again, click on buy right here and just follow simple prompts. And once done, log into the account that's going to receive it, and then just wait for about 2 or 3 days. All right, sometimes it goes to like 7 days for the transfer to be successful. Okay, go back to that account, switch right here, just click on Robux and my transactions. You should be able to see a pending transaction right here, pending Robux. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.